Alright, welcome back everybody to a new video here. We are at Pagani. Came here a few years ago. That's where I kind of got the ticket, and that started off the whole chain thing last year or a couple years ago. But super excited to come back and see what kind of new cars they got going on in here, and then we'll go through the museum and see what they got. I'm thinking everything's still the same, but didn't do a video last time, so we'll do a video and check out the cars that they have in there. Alright, let's go check out inside. Alright, and welcome to the museum here in Pagani. Sorry, because it is a museum, I'm going to talk a little bit quiet, and we do have to wear a mask inside. But as you first come in, here are a bunch of Pagani's, Horatio's, things that he started with. That is his Formula 2 car that he built and won the championship with, and a motorbike that he used to ride around in his hometown. Pretty interesting to see some of these older things that he's held on to for so long, and can now display in here. When he first started, he started with a few random things. He used to make golf carts, bikes, tennis rackets, just stuff to figure out carbon fiber and how it used to work when he first started out. And then we jump right into the first production car. Not even a really production car, this would be the prototype. Chassis number 2 here, that they say has over 500,000 kilometers on it. What a way to start your company out with something like that, huh? This is my second time here, but these cars are always wonderful to see. So from there, we moved on to the Zonda S over here. This eventually produced a record set at the Nürburgring also. Chassis number 18 from 2000. Then he decided to cut the top off and create his Roadster. Now, even back then, he had such an attention to detail early on. He has the carbon fiber lined up and matching everywhere. And then he produced an even lighter version of the Zonda F, or the Zonda Fangio. This also set a record at the Nürburgring. It ran a time of 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Now the two most unique cars that are in here, I think. We have a Zonda Cinque. This one is a Roadster. There's 4 of the Roadsters and 5 of the coupes. We were told that he received a €7 million offer for one of these, specifically built for the Hong Kong market. only car. This thing is an absolute beast. It looks super aggressive and so nice and amazing. And we'll come around to the other side here and finish out with the front side of the Cinque. Now this was not a paint option, it had to come in what you see here, the silver white with the black showing carbon and the red stripe down the line. The back of the Zonda F 20th anniversary in the rear bumper area actually has red carbon fiber. And check out the inside right here real quick. Have the front side of his Roadster here. This car is from 2004. Way ahead of its time. The back side of the S with those 4 exhaust pipes that have been ever so present from the very beginning. Come back to the original one on the rotating table. And then the last car that they have in here, the Wyra BC. That interior is just absolutely amazing. 750 horsepower. Might not sound like much for some, but when the car weighs as little as they do, power to weight is on a whole nother level. Man, what some amazing cars that are in there. And of course we walk out and the Ferrari just happens to be pulling in, so that was pretty cool. But someday maybe, hopefully, that'd be nice. They said their wait list is like 2 years, so you know, who knows. But man, those cars are amazing as always. I hope you guys like the video. Tomorrow we are going to be going to the Ferrari Museum and Lamborghini Factory and the museum. So we're bringing you some more car stuff coming up. So hopefully you guys can like and subscribe to this video and keep checking out what's coming up. All right, see you guys soon. Later.